So there's a few things here, right? So we want to talk about, ultimately what you want to be able to do today is like figure out, how do I write the domain and range in a very formal way? But then I guess to subdivide that, you have to know that domain goes with the x values, right? And range is going to go with the y values, right? And then from there, you just kind of, you have to figure out where the function or relation kind of starts and ends on each of them. That's domain and range. But it's thinking about them separately. Domain is x, like where, like how far along sideways do the graphs go, and how tall up and down do they go. Those are your kind of, you got to think about them separately, right? So if we look at the first couple blanks here, right? So the domain of a relation is the set of independent. I'm going to write in black here. You can write independent like IND, which is the x values, right? So we talked about independent versus dependent variables. Independent always kind of went along the x-axis, like time. Time's independent of anything that goes on because time always just keeps going, right? So the independent one is going to be the x values, and the range is going to be the one that depends on the independent one, right? So the y values, okay? And then if you're not good at writing squiggly brackets, you might get good at it. I don't know. I'm still not too good at it, right? But this is typically how the domain and range is written like this, okay? So determine the domain and range for each function. So you're going to go D for domain, right? And then you're going to open one of these squiggly brackets. This is part of this formal, right? Sorry, I should have just turned this